Hi guys, so this is just a bit of feedback about what happened this morning. My daughter had an appointment at Kingsbury Hospital for a hearing test at 11 o'clock today. The results I got back wasn't as what I expected. Additionally, I thought that my daughter's hearing is being affected by the buildup of wax in her middle ear. But today they did a hearing test and the hearing test proved otherwise, and her hearing is not being affected by the wax. If Although they say if the wax isn't removed, it can add on to the problem. But my daughter really cannot hear, and with result to that, she will need grommets because she does have a buildup of wax in the middle eardrum. But she will also need a hearing aid, but a special kind of hearing aid. As the doctor explained, the hearing aid that goes around the ear at the back, but then she needs the piece. It's called the ear molding that goes into the ear. So the hearing aid will transfer the sound into her ear because she genuinely cannot hear, and she will need to attend a special school at Tygerberg Hospital. She will not be able to go to a mainstream school, unfortunately. That honestly, it hurt me a lot. I honestly expected that she will only need to go for grommets and it would be sorted, or just a hearing aid, it would be sorted, but she needs to go for both. And it really it upset me a lot, actually, just hearing that. It broke me because I was hoping for better results. I was hoping for a quick fix, if we can put it like that. This is the results that I got today. This is the one ear, it's the right ear, and then the left ear. And then this ear is what a normal person should hear. This is a normal average person's hearing. This starts from the soft sounds to the higher sounds, but it stops there. As the doctor explained, it's not nearly enough for her to hear the way she's supposed to. And it's exactly the same in both ears. Here's a better example. Shucks. Here's a better example. This is where a normal person's hearing is supposed to be. See on top there? But hers is only there. It's not even nearly at 1. So they advise that she needs to get grommets done. But she'll also need a hearing aid. So the cost is going to be even higher than what I expected. I didn't expect that she needs to go for both. And I don't know, it's so... I don't even know what to say. Just this whole... I don't even know what to say, honestly. It's just... It hurt me getting back the results that my daughter is really suffering, struggling, and but I'll have a bit more of an insight tomorrow because the doctor will phone me tomorrow because she's going to get hold of the lady at the special school at the hospital. It's called Carl something. I can't remember the name exactly, but that's the results of today, unfortunately. But I just wanted to keep you guys up to date as to what happened. But thank you for watching.